You already have been told about the unlimited benefits of honey. Be it as a remedy for good skin, good digestion, good immunity, or just a remedy for a cough and cold, honey can be used day in and day out. But for the people who have such fast and furious lifestyles, honey is just another commodity that is kept in the pantry but is hardly used. Did you know honey intake helps if you are facing sleeplessness or hair loss? It aids you in your weight loss fights and is also a great remedy for treating hangovers. Who knew, right? Honey has endless health benefits, but still, it is one of the most underused products in our kitchens and it does not form a big part of our routine diets. Here are the simple ways to include honey in your daily diet. 1. Honey lemonade. You must have heard about how healthy it is to have warm lemon water and honey first thing in the morning. Well, it helps in cleansing your stomach as the mixture contains fiber and pectin. It also contains sugar, which helps you to feel full and keeps cravings at bay, thus increasing your chances to lose weight. If you don't feel like having it in the morning, you can try enjoying it as a healthy drink during the day. 2. Honey tea. Instead of having sugar with your tea daily, try adding a dash of honey instead. Honey is made up of glucose, fructose, and other healthy minerals like calcium, iron, etc. This makes it way more nutritious and tastier than simple sugar. 3. Dressings and marinades. Honey works amazingly if you use it as your salad dressing, and as a marinade for various meat and fish items. Many recipes are known to have honey as a base of their marinades. 4. Honey desserts. You can replace sugar with honey, just like in tea, in custards, cookies, and even cakes. Also, you can use it as a topping for your snacks like fruit salad with honey, pancakes with honey, honey sandwiches, bacon, and honey. 5. Honey and milk. You can make it a bedtime ritual if you may, but there's nothing that relaxes you more like a warm glass of milk with a teaspoon of honey before going to bed. It is scientifically backed as well. Honey is one of the rare sugar forms that cause a controlled increase in the amount of insulin being added to your system, which promotes the generation of sleep-aiding chemicals from the brain and calms you down.